I hear a train a-comin', it's rolling round the bend, and I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. I'm stuck at Folsom prison, and time keeps dragging on. But the train keeps rolling on down to San Antonio. When I was just a baby, my mama told me, son, always be a good boy, don't you ever play with guns. But I shot a man in Reno just to watch him die. When I hear that whistle blowing, I hang my head and cry. I bet there's rich folks eating in a fancy dining car, probably drinking coffee and smoking big cigars. But I know I had it coming, I know I can't be free. But those people keep moving, and that's the torture's me. If they freed me from this prison, if that railroad train was mine, I bet I'd move on over a little further down the line. Oh, far from Folsom prison, that's where I want to stay.